Welcome back to Bullseye. Today we're going to be doing a bit of automotive, that's the right word, automotive, isn't it? But you know, me, I'd say a bit of car work. He has decided that he needs a Cambelt, so we decided we're going to do that. I'll see you in a bit when we're ready to work on it. So what we do know is your car was running a tooth out on the bottom end.
Okay.
Which is actually quite a bit. Well, it's one tooth, it's just not right.
I mean,
So
how would you notice it? Is it
you might notice power difference in it.
Okay.
You'd have thought it may be the. Has it always hesitated when you said it was pulling away and stuff?
No, only in the last month.
Right, new spark plugs, NGKs, going in. It's Peugeot. Look at them. Lovely and new. Let me just get a 16mm socket.
Be careful with that. Be careful with that. Don't do that.
Oh, right.
There's about 50, 60 quid they are.
It's
And you won't get one.
It's not my car.
No, I know it's not your car.
It's not my car.
I know it's not.
Right.
Now feel it compress and then just give it a little nip. Use the end of the ratchet switch.
I can feel it. Right. Don't want to give it the builder muller it.
Oh, never drop a plug like that.
I didn't
Drop
drop it.
a plug like that. It can shorten the gap. Second one dropped. Sure.
I'm happy with that.
The reason why I'm interfering with this is because of this pipe and then I'll switch with it.
I'm just a bit heavy-handed.
Yeah, I know.
Into more demolition than I am mechanic.
Is there any rules regarding my driving with it having a new cam belt and all belts? Just drive as normal? The pig. Is that name for the car?
A little tip when you're pouring these bottles.
Always turn it to the side so
Always
the
turn it to the
air gets over the top.
That's right. Who taught you that, Lee?
My old man.
Did he?
Yeah. Well, it's more filling when we was tipping petrol in a motorbike. See, look at the control over that. You're not getting it.
People don't know that.
Blim 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 blim. That's what happens. All finished. Well done. Let's crank it over. No bangs.
Hey? Sorry? If it isn't any quicker or any more responsive,
Yeah.
tell me, but I reckon it will be. Cup of tea then?
Let's have one. I think we've definitely earned that.